Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It Tech News channel, and basically we have a kind of a little announcement from Apple, a warning if you want. It is interesting to see that even though there doesn't seem to have been any real problems, Apple thought that it was important to issue a warning for those that are wearing pacemakers. So pacemakers are, of course, these little devices that some people have to regulate the heartbeat. Well, it seems that any device that Apple makes, including the latest iPhones and anything that has a Magsafe possibility for charging and so on, there's just warning to be careful and not to put these devices close to your pacemaker. They are warning because they say that the magnetic fields that are created with those devices are quite strong and could technically interfere with a pacemaker's workings. So they are just warning that, it's okay to use them, but just keep them at a safe distance from your pacemaker. So this is interesting. It's not the first time that we get warnings like this. When the pacemaker when the smartphone became popular, a lot of smartphone and even cell phones companies were warning that maybe it's not the best idea in the world to have your phone or smartphone close to the pacemaker, especially for men, when we often wear shirts with a pocket. We could actually put the phone in the pocket, and that puts it quite close to actually these pacemakers. So just be careful, and using technology and a pacemaker, especially everything that emits electromagnetic fields and radio frequencies, it's always something to be very careful of to make sure that everything stays safe. So keep those devices at a safe distance when you use them. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.